ENAC process. It's very robust, and it really is the industry standard on how to safeguard and protect information. A variety of programs, they assess everything around your information security policies, everything from that to data center access, physical controls, disaster recovery programs, business continuity programs, and so it's a very comprehensive program, and TransUnion is very proud to receive that accreditation. Today's day and age, with the world of big data, there's nothing more important than the protection of patient information. And you know, the ENAC process really ensures that our patient information and our clients' data and information reaches the highest levels and standards of protection. And again, you know, it's a very comprehensive program, and there's nothing more important to TransUnion than protecting that data.